So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Ooh, buddy. JJLEE, what is up? It's your boy Jordan. I'm back with another video. And I hope y'all ready. Finally, your boy has got the Wickerbill for the White Dragon 392. So I can see, here's the middle part. I got a 3-piece Wickerbill, of course, from PS Designs. I got my old one from PS Designs too. So yeah, like I said, this is the 3-piece. Right, left, middle. So of course, y'all know I gotta add my own little spice to my Wickerbill because I got a little color scheme going. So that's what y'all see right here. I've taped off these screws, and then I'm gonna sand the top of these a little bit. Sand top of these. Probably sand these, or either just spread a coat all over them. And we got some red engine paint. Shake it up, then spray the tops after I sand them a little bit so the paint can actually stick to the bolts. So when you hook that Wickerbill up, you got that in there. Bam. Straight red. So either I might just leave these back. I don't know yet. But new mod, stay tuned. I'm doing my boy Dalen's Wickerbill too. Like I said, he just got the new yellow scat pack called the Cobra, and I'm also doing another Wickerbill install on my other friend's, Jason's, and he calls his car the Black Panther. So stay tuned, man. It's gonna be a little, y'all might just see it after it's done. I just want to show y'all a quick little unboxing, what I'm gonna do with the screws so it can be like different than any other Wickerbill. So stay tuned. I just want to give y'all a little unboxing, like I said, and I hope y'all like loving those little shorts I'm uploading, because I know sometimes people don't like no long videos. So I'm like, let me just constantly upload some shorts, give y'all little clues of what I'm doing, little hints of what I'm doing and stuff like that. But shout out to PS Designs. I'm gonna go ahead and get busy sanding paint. I taped it off because I don't want any paint getting into the little screw divots, so it can want to screw in right. But I guess y'all just stay tuned, man, and I will catch y'all later. All right, JJLEE Squad, we back. Second little part. So far, I have sanded the screws and the black washers. Also, put alcohol on them. Y'all understand I got this on in a second, but like I said, sanded them. Didn't sand the other parts, but did that. We got white paint, red paint, high gloss, alcohol, wipe them all clean, as y'all can see. Bam. Y'all know my thing, red and white. So we got the white washers. I sprayed some satin white, so it's gonna stand out a little more right here. Some Rust-Oleum satin white. I'm gonna add a high gloss on top of that. Got the hair dryer to help it dry a little quicker, not too fast. But like I said, I got these taped off, so I'm only spraying the head and inside of the screw. If y'all ever wanted to do something extra for y'all Wickerbill, this is what I'm technically doing. So far it's looking pretty good. I know it's gonna brighten up with the high gloss when I put it on there, but so far I'm on, there's three coats of white, 3 coats of red. So that's so far that's it. Just want to give y'all a little update. Then the third part will be the Wickerbill all together. So like I said, 2-part. All I did was sand them a little bit to the point where the paint can actually adhere to the screws, because I think that's aluminum or something like that. Because I know he said you can paint them what you want from PS Design. So I did that. Got some red paint. I already had white paint here. I was like, bruh. But yeah, and then I already been having the high gloss. So stay tuned, man. I'm hooking it up. I guess the third part, y'all see it all together. The screws dry, and pretty much the Wickerbill all together, and looking pretty good for when I install it. So stay tuned. Thank y'all for watching, and just stay tuned for the third part. JJLEE Squad, what is up? It's your boy Jordan. I'm back with another video. Well, not, it's the same video, but Wickerbill complete installed. I installed it on my boy Dalen's, and I installed it on my boy Jason's scat pack. So I did 3 Wickerbill installs in the same day. So, but here's the finished product. It is the V3 PS Designs Wickerbill. As y'all can see, I did red screws like I showed y'all in the second part of the video. Red screws with white washers, pretty much. Red screws with white washers. And look how the small details, y'all. These very small details. And it just goes really well together, bro. Really well. But it's a nice, aggressive look to the back end. Small details matter, man. And it's just, I'm just taking quick little pictures of a stand. This one like my little spot. I go here on the weekends. I think it's like a little elementary school. But so y'all can see that baby's looking mean, crispy, matching. Everything is looking real good, bro. Real good. Y'all take a picture of it. That baby is crispy, bro. Crispy. Everything's been going pretty good, but like I said, that's just wanted to end the video off real good. Show y'all that the Wickerbill's installed, looking good. Very easy process. I didn't really film it because there's really no point. There's like 10 million videos. Just tape the original Wickerbill up, tape it up, mark the spots, get a 2564 drill bit, drill it in. That comes with a rivet gun. Bam, you're done. Tighten it up, not too tight, and you got yourself a Wickerbill. I just went the extra route because name of the car club is Be Different. I want to be different. I want to put an extra juice on my Wickerbill, which y'all see I did. But here's the White Dragon 392. Y'all give me a follow on Instagram. Remember to subscribe to the channel. And just thank you for watching, man. Let me get some more good pictures just like that. Y'all can screenshot this if you want to, but you know what I'm saying. Also, let me go ahead and get y'all a cold start. Might as well. Ooh, buddy. Go ahead and get y'all a cold start, since it has been a minute. Quick minute of cold start. So it be popping, bro. Yeah. But as I said, remember to like, subscribe, favorite, share the video. I will catch y'all later, and thank y'all for watching. Crisp. Yes, sir. 3rd Wickerbill.